24 hours. One day. The time it takes Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis. Sun comes up, then goes down, then comes up again. But not all 24 hours are the same. We have lived some special ones.
Thank you, everyone. I'm good. Yes, we are back.
3 times in the last 3 years. Not so common.
The MT3 and of course a Ferrari wins them all.
No one knew what could have happened in those 24 hours. It could have been good, or it could have been bad.
La Ferrari numéro 51 et ne repart pas.
That's racing. That's life. Many risks, many doubts. We faced them and we won. Then again and again. Will it happen one more time? No one can guarantee it, but our goal is the same. Maybe it will be the 4th, maybe not. For sure, we will give it our all and face the unknown.